buddy.
Oh my god.
Okay guys, welcome back to another video. I'm the host, is Zach Alafanakis. Oh no, that's the wrong one. My name is Samuele Innocentini and this is day 2 with the Corsa Games. It's a fundraise event. We'll have Jimmy, who is the organizer of this. We are actually back at the Vancouver Island Motorsport Circuit, and as you guys saw from the previous vlog, we had a Aventador SV V12 on the dyno at Paradigm Autoworks. They were hosting an event there, and today we have the full group of the Corsa Games up at the track. So we'll have a bunch of Lambos. We're going to be taking rolling shots from the back of a car and some very cool footage. We have Nicky Nones in the house and JVic Pro from Paradigm. So we'll go ahead with the intro and stay tuned. This is going to be a very good one. Open. One more guy. Hold the radio, please.
Yes, sir. What's that?
I'll use you at the radio, actually. We need to go, Nicky. Chris, tell me the speed.
You're good a little quicker if you want, but...
Guys, let's hold it at 40, single file.
You got Samuel, the race car driver here. I gotta recenter my camera. Yeah. This is the sickest thing ever.
Tell him to come closer up.
Move up a little closer.
There we go.
Perfect, right there is perfect. And then when we get to the straight, each one of you is going to pull out and rip by as fast as you can.
Them to try stay offset so we can get both of them, you know.
Hey Eric, what's wrong with Holland here?
Yeah, that's
Aaron, you're in front, and then Colin stay offset a little bit so you can get a shot of you as well.
yeah, perfect. Just like that, boys. Oh, how was that, man?
Oh, right there, yeah. Oh my God.
Yes, yes.
Oh my God, that's sexual. Oh, that was so sick. Dude.
Tell them.
Videographer's orgasm.
They're jerking off in here.
Oh man.
Are you fucking kidding me, man? Hell yeah.
Should we?
That was awesome, guys.
Oh my god.
That was so sick. Did you get some? Yeah, I know you got some good footage.
Dude, you got the pilot, great camera phone. It's
They're standing on the ladder and then the car hits the ladder and they jump.
No, I haven't.
We're gonna do that today, so stay tuned.
Okay guys, the last group is just finishing off the last session, and yeah, we had some fun with the element here. We took some really cool B-roll. We had a couple GoPros mounted, and Nicky got some amazing shots. His links are always in the description as well. And yeah, once again, big shout out to Corsa Games, which did put on this very cool, crazy and fun event, and a pleasure for us to be able to see some of these vehicles, right? And yeah, make sure to subscribe as usual, punch that like button. Everyone's passing by like hell, and we'll see you in the next one, okay? Peace out.